Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this Dollar Tree frame and ribbon wall decor. Very affordable and easy to make. So let's get into it. Hi guys, alright, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, what you're going to need is a 8x10 frame, a 5x7, and a 4x6. So we're gonna be using some ribbons, okay? And you're gonna have to cut these ribbons down. Now the ribbons that I bought was from Dollar Tree, which was these ones here. They're so pretty, I had to get them. These two here that we're gonna be working with, as well as some rope. I got this rope here from Walmart. Now, Dollar Tree do have them. They're just a smaller size, and you can work with that. I'm just letting you guys know, if you don't want to go to Walmart and you don't want to spend extra, go ahead and get yourself some Dollar Tree. Want to work with that. Ribbons, we are going to cut them about this length, where it can fit over our frame like so, because we're going to be gluing in the back of it. So we're going to be covering the front of the frame. If you want to know the size, this size, large one, this is about 13 inch. So you need about 9 of these strips for the bigger frame, okay? For the 8x10. Now, you're gonna need another strip of ribbon. Strips is about 10.5 inch. You need about 8 ribbons for this one. Now, for the smaller one, of course, we're gonna be using our rope, okay? So let's go ahead and start on the rope first. You need to take none of this out. This stuff is fine. The only thing you probably could take off is the back piece of that thing. Or glue gun. Go ahead, and the first thing you want to do is wrap it around, move it up, start from the top, glue that down, and then work your way all the way around. Don't feel like you need to glue. I think you just need to glue the beginning of these two ends first here, and then keep on going until you get to the bottom, then you glue the end. I don't think it's necessary to glue all the way down here or anything. If you want to put little glue here and there just to keep it still, is fine. When you get close to the end, just put some glue at the side here and the side here. If you want, you could put some in the middle as well. It should look like this, nice and full. Okay, let's go ahead and work on this one here. Let's go ahead and open this up and then flip the picture over. This side, you're just gonna turn it this side, okay? Put that around there. Just put all this stuff back in there. We don't need that. So let's go ahead and get her. And now we're gonna go ahead and just glue it all the way around like this, okay? We're gonna glue it like that, and we're gonna glue it in the back. And when we do the next layer, we make sure we cover some of it up. We don't want to leave no gap. Make sure you cover it all the way up, and then you go to the next one, and then the next one, and then so on and so forth, okay? So let me go ahead and do that. And then once you finish doing that, we're gonna do the same thing with the bigger one, the same steps. Guys, so far, this is what you're supposed to have. It's supposed to start looking like this, okay? Okay, guys, now you should have a medium-sized one done like this, as well as the large one, like that. Look at that, they're already pretty. I don't even want to put anything on there. That's just pretty by itself. As well as your other little piece here. So the next step is we are going to glue these together like here, like this, and then we're going to glue this one here, right in the center of here. Just like that, kind of like an abstract kind of picture. In order for us to do that, put everything together, hold everything together, we are going to need some Dollar Tree foam board. So we can lay this at the bottom of the picture so you can hold it in place properly. You just need the shape of this one and this one. And what we're gonna do is make sure there's none extra one hanging at the side, so we don't have to see that board. We wanna be able to hide it underneath the picture frames, okay? See right here? Make sure there's nothing hanging. It's just a little bit more in. I'm gonna trace over this like that, all the way around, and coming back and go all the way there. And then we're gonna cut that out, okay? so we can layer that at the bottom of this so it can hold it together. Once we do that, once we finish cutting it out, we're gonna glue these two together, and then we're gonna glue the foam board to these two frames. Okay guys, what we're gonna do is go ahead and cut this part out here that we marked of our picture. I cut it out in the shape of the frames right here. Give it enough room where you can be able to not see this board at the bottom of your picture frames, okay? So we're gonna do that. So what we're gonna do is, next is we're gonna glue these two together first, and then we can glue this down on the bottom of this, okay? Make sure you put it in position, guys. Just put glue on this one frame. I don't think it was necessary for both of them. So this is just gonna hold it in place, okay guys? Let that sit there for a minute so it can dry. Once that's dry, guys, we're gonna flip it over and then put this ribbon, put a piece of ribbon in the back of it. And that way, you know, just to secure it a little bit better. So I'm gonna put some glue in there. Once that's dry, guys, go ahead and glue this to the picture frame, and then we can go ahead and add the other frame to it afterwards. So you should have your frame, and it should look like this now. And look at that, nice. It's nice and sturdy now, where I can pick it up and it won't. And here's the back part of it. That's the back part. So, and what I did afterwards, I finished putting glue all the way around. I kind of put another strip of glue all the way in the corners, all the way around. So you might want to do that if you want to, but it's probably not necessary. But you know me, I just like to make sure nothing falls apart, everything is stable, everything is together. Okay guys, I haven't glued the other frame down yet. This is still unglued, okay? The only thing we have is these two. I'm going to show you in a minute the reason why I wanted to record this, because I kind of lay out how I want this to be. And look at it so far, guys. I think it is beautiful. It turned out beautiful, so I just want to keep that in place how I had it. So our next step is, let me just go ahead and remove all this stuff. Before we even glue this down here, we're gonna tuck some of these things underneath it first before we glue it down. So we're gonna glue this stuff here down, just a few things in the back, not the flowers. You don't have to glue the flowers yet. You're gonna remove the flowers and everything, and we're just gonna glue these things here, these pieces and the other pieces that I have underneath this frame here. Now, I purchased these here from the dollar store, guys. Could you believe that? That was at a dollar store for $1. I stripped them off of here, off of this stem right here, and I just kind of put it the way I wanted to, kind of lay it out the way I wanted to. I got these from Dollar Tree as well. I'm gonna use that in there as well. So they got flowers at Dollar Tree, we're gonna use that as well. Flowers here, I had seen at Walmart. I saw it at Walmart and I said, you know what, I have to have these because that kind of go really nice with the design and everything, and I like the way that looks. It was 97 or 98 cents, guys. So that's even a better deal. Let's go ahead and get rid of all this stuff. And so now let's go ahead and glue these down where we want this before we glue our other picture to here. I need to cover that piece right here. It seems like another gold just sitting out here, but I'll cover that. Don't worry about that, guys. I'm gonna cover that in a little bit, but just go ahead and let's go ahead and stick this stuff down. Now, like I said, if you want, you can decorate this the way you want to. If you want it to look like mine, go ahead and purchase the things that I showed you here, all the supplies that I showed you here from Dollar Tree and some from Walmart, and get yourself some of those things. And then, like I said, you got to strip these things off so you can be able to put it in the right spot. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and glue everything in place, guys. Let's go ahead and glue our other picture frame down. Place it down there, guys, on top of that stuff. Put some force on it, okay? And now we can put our flowers on there. Right there. And then just position your flower where you want it to be, guys. Go ahead and glue your flower down and then you should be all set, okay? Okay guys, this is what I have. So I place all the flowers down there. And this is how it looks. I think it's beautiful. I love it. So I was thinking, I end up putting the little thing here. And let me lift it up so you guys can see a better picture of it. I think it looks beautiful with it hanging like that. So I'm gonna keep that there. And I'm thinking about putting some more flowers here. Also, I was thinking, guys, Dollar Tree have the little snowflakes because that part looks kind of empty. But then I'm afraid to put anything there because I'm trying not to overdo it. You know, sometimes you can overdo it and then ruin it. Let's see. What do you guys think about that? It does look nice. I'm trying to, guys, this is tough. Oh my goodness, this is very tough. You might want to try that, guys. That looks really nice. I think that set it off. I think I'm gonna go with that. That's a suggestion, guys. If you want to go with that snowflake, Dollar Tree have them. And then maybe some more flowers right here, covering that spot right there. I think that would look really nice. I tuck it in the corner here. I haven't glued it down yet. And I tuck the other one over here. And I just tuck some mesh, this Tulu, I think, or I just say mesh for right now, guys. Like I said, I just tucked the little mesh in here just to see how that look. And I put another piece right here underneath this flower because I add some more flower to it. Yeah, I think that looks nice right there. Yeah, we're gonna leave that there. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue all this stuff down and then we're finished.